What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the serial filler randoms for all the non-numbered stuff. So we're going to go live. We're live at 6:52, and I'll go to the winners board. Top 7 are going to win. You got the base, rookie, and rookie rainbows, the sunset, red prism, vet rainbows, thrilling finishes, and Calder, front runners, marquee, vet, and rookies, and the matte pink Eichel. So I will get us a fresh list. Top 7 are going to win something. We got John on top and on bottom. John on top and on bottom. We're going 3 times, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Dave Kosh on top. So Dave, you got the base, rookie, and rainbows. John, the sunset. Gene, the red prisms. Grant, the vet rainbows. Marty, the thrilling finishes. Grant, the marquee, vet, and rookies. And Kirk, the matte pink Eichel. And I will do one last timestamp. 6:53.